First time driving the M5.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Your boy Posted from the Beemer Fam. Back at it again today. And guess what? I got a hell of a surprise for you guys. So I told you guys that I had a new mod coming that's going to set the car off, right? Well, now it's here. Without further ado, let me show you. Ba-da-ba! It's in this box. I already did a lot of the unwrapping and everything because it was super wrapped and really hard to get to. But without further ado, let me show you. Ba-da-ba! I have been waiting so long to tell you guys about this and finally reveal it. But now it is here. What do you guys think about this? I did the white perforated leather sides. I did the Alcantara top and bottom in black. If you can see, I did the M color stitching on the sides. And of course, customized engraved Beemer Fam logo right there in the middle for everybody to see. I'm excited to get this thing put in. So I'm actually starting to install it right now. I just unplugged the battery to the car and we're gonna go ahead and get it going and get the airbag out of the other one and start the steering wheel swap process. I do, however, have to swap the M button since this wheel did not come with the M button up there, which is not that big of a deal. It's pretty easy to get these sides out and get the button out at this point with the wheel off. So once I get the original wheel off, I'll pop the M button and do the swap, and then we'll throw this bad boy on and see how that goes. Alright, so first things first, we got to remove the airbag out the middle and take that apart. And how you do that is on the back side of the wheel, you can see there's a little spot where a flathead goes in. Now you put the flathead right in here on both sides and you kind of give it some play, you push it in, and eventually you'll be able to get it to pop out. I'll show you. First you put the screwdriver in the side and pop the first side out, and you repeat to the next side and you should feel the second side pop, pull it out, and there's the airbag. Once you get the airbag out, you'll have to pop the clips off the back with a little flathead screwdriver to work it out a little bit, and then ba-da-ba, the first green clip should pull out. Then secondly, we get the black clip out there, and boom, everything pops out nice and easy. There it is. Next, move the wires, make it clean so that we can take out the middle bolt, which isn't too difficult. But first we'll unscrew the back so we can take the faceplate off and take off the M button and swap it to the other wheel. Next, there's the bolt falling out. Not too difficult. Then come straight off, make sure you pull it straight, and it's easy as that. Next, unscrew the button set on the back of the faceplate so we can get to the buttons, like so. Next, there are a few tabs around the module you'll have to pry open with a slim knife or a little flathead screwdriver. Very easy. Just pop it open and there's the button assembly. Take a look. Now the buttons will easily fall out, so will the rubber stoppers, so make sure you keep track of those. Next, repeat for the new set of buttons and replace the M button where it should go. Make sure the module is in there right. It may take a little work, but easy. Now make sure all the buttons are clickable and everything's right in its place, and it is. So next we're going to make sure we have the airbag wires installed and the horn wires installed. Sorry about that. And everything's in place. Put the middle bolt back in. We're just reversing the steps we took to take out the airbag. And voila. Alright, so right now we have the wheel about 90% installed. I do not have the tools on hand to be able to sufficiently strip the wires, fuse the wires, tape the wires, and do all that right now. So I'm actually going to shoot down the street to our mechanic, and he is going to hook me up real quick. You're going to get these cables and everything set up, get the airbag code cleared, and we should be ready to go. So I'm excited. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take it to the road, and let's fast forward to getting this thing working. Alright guys, we're back, and we are in full action. The wheel is properly wired, hooked up, got power going, we're ready to go. I just need to get my Carly app tomorrow to be able to take off the airbag code, but other than that, we are full beans, baby. Take a look. Been waiting to see that.